Vocabulary. Collocations. I find 7 verbs in the puzzle. Arrange. Cancel. Change. Book. Check. Have. Talk. B. There is a verb missing in each sentence. Complete the sentences with verbs from exercise 1A. 1. Did you arrange to meet friends? If you didn't, we can meet later. 2. She called me because she wanted to have a chat. 3. Please book a table for us at the Blue Fin restaurant tonight. 4. There's been a problem and I can't attend, so I'm calling to cancel my reservation. 5. Don't forget to check the train times before you leave for the station. 6. I'd like to come to the 4.30 performance, not the 6.30, and I'm calling to change my ticket. 7. The manager of Triad Books is on the phone. He wants to talk business. Function. Making a phone call. 2. Match the sentence halves. 1. Whose? E. Calling. 2. Hello. This. D. Is John. 3. Can I speak? G. To Alexandra, please. 4. Can I? C. Leave a message. 5. I'm afraid she's. F. Not here at the moment. 6. I'll ask her. B. To call you back. 7. Thanks for. Calling. A. Hello. This is Jim. Is Trudy there? B. I'm afraid she's not here at the moment. Oh really? Can I leave a message? B. Of course. Can you tell her that we need to discuss the party on Friday? B. Yes, I will. I'll ask her to call you back. Thanks a lot. B. You're welcome. Bye. Bye. 4. Number the sentences in the correct order to make a phone conversation. F. Good morning. Craven Beauty Parlor. Beverly speaking. D. Hello. Can I speak to Kim? C. One moment. Who's calling please? H. It's Liz Holder here. I. Hi. Liz. Oh. I'm afraid Kim's at lunch. Is it about today's appointment? A. Yes. I'm going to be 20 minutes late. G. No problem. I'll tell her. B. Thank you very much. See you soon. E. Thanks for calling. Bye. J. Bye. Learn to manage phone problems. Put the words in the correct order to complete the questions. 1. A. Hi. I'm waiting for a delivery of 15 chocolate rabbits. Have you sent them yet? B. One moment. What's the name, please? 2. A. Hello, this is Hillary Kenton, calling from Newark. B. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Did you say Hillary Clinton from New York? 3. A. Hello, my name is Aloysius Venosiak Menkovsky. B. Can you repeat that? 4. A. Hi. I'm waiting for a package from Dublin. B. Sorry, can you speak up, please? 5. A. Hello. I'd like to order 2 Pentium Bidmark 6.40. Large photocopiers, 3 Ribdale Energy Star fax machines, 5 Rubicon jump drives, and B. Sorry, can you slow down, please?
Unit 3, Recording 2. 1. You've reached Danny's voicemail. Please leave a message.
Hi Danny, it's Pauline here. I'm calling about tomorrow night. Unfortunately, there are no more tickets for the concert. I called them at about 2 o'clock, but they were already sold out. So, I don't know what you want to do. Anyway, give me a call tonight after 6. Bye!
2.
Hi, is Trisha there, please?
No, I'm afraid she isn't. Who's speaking?
It's Elise here.
Hi, Elise. No, I'm afraid Trisha is out at the moment. Do you want to leave a message?
Yes. Can you tell her I'll be at the station at 8? She's going to meet me there.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Yes, I'll be at the station at 8.
Oh, okay, at 8. I'll tell her that.
Thanks. Oh, and can you tell her that her mobile isn't working?
Yes, okay. I think she needs to recharge it.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.
3.
Roundhouse Bar and Grill. How can I help you?
Oh, hello there. I'd like to book a table for 3 people for Wednesday evening.
Oh, we don't take bookings, actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah, if you just show up at the door, that'll be fine.
Okay.
Around 8 is usually our busiest time, between 8 and 9:30. So if you come a bit before that...
Great. Thanks very much for your help.
You're welcome.